Whether you're working with Codespaces or using an IDE of your choice in your local dev environment, this is the starting point of your Laravel application. You will see the same set of files and folders in a fresh Laravel app. The first thing to do now is to start the development server. Open the new terminal within your editor, go to View, Terminal. Anymore, I will use the keyboard shortcut Command J to open or close this terminal. If you're on Windows, the shortcut might be Ctrl J. Now run the command php artisan serve. The server is now running. You can visit this URL in your browser by pressing the command key on Mac or Control key on Windows and clicking on it. You will see a wonderful splash screen. This is a new Laravel application. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see which Laravel version is currently installed. In my case, it's version 11.10. If you're practicing using Codespaces, you will see the same version. But if you install Laravel in your local system, you might see a newer version at the time of installation. Certain things might look different if something has changed, but mostly everything will work the same. Coming back to the terminal, remember we typed this command php artisan serve. Laravel provides a command line interface called artisan. You can view a list of all the helpful artisan commands by using php artisan list command. Click on the new tab, type php artisan list. Of course, if you're using Docker and Sail to run Laravel in your local system, you will have to replace PHP in the commands. Wherever I type PHP, you have to replace and type Sail instead. So this is the huge list of commands that Laravel provides out of the box. We will use a lot of these commands like PHP artisan migrate and then make controller, make model, and many of these. Let's go on.